All this week, we have free tickets to see Jay-Z and Beyonce.
Plus, instantly qualified for the...
Your boy is about to go into a new place called Hop Dottie. Gonna get a vegan burger here. I don't know if it's called an Impossible Burger that I can get here, but I know I did get one at a place called The Corner. And one of my new family members that just adopted me into the family, her name is Renee. She's amazing. It's really coincidental, man, how God will put people in your lives, situations, he will put them together for you. Just when you think that you're running to a wall or you don't see like the real opportunity coming or something like that, things happen. And I'll talk about that at another video at another time. But right now, I am going to Hop Dottie. Renee told me that this is a really good Impossible Burger that she had. It was better than the one that I had at The Corner. The one I had at The Corner, you guys can see, I had a few months back. The burger was like about 4 patties, and it was like huge. It was like the size of my head. Like, it was incredible. I didn't know how I was able to finish it, but it was delicious. So I'm gonna see the oh, excuse me. I'm gonna see now, and I'm gonna compare the burgers. Now, it doesn't matter if I don't get a burger with that many patties, not much size. It's all about the taste, the texture. That's what I'm going to be judging by today. That Impossible Burger costs about 30 or 40 bucks, something like that. That's just the burger alone. This here, I'm trying to get like a single patty burger, maybe with some fixings on top, so it might be like a bigger burger as it is, or whatever the case. You know, I'll probably order a side of some natural fries. It's a vegan place, so I'm gonna order some fries or whatever, and you know, no salt needed. And I'm going to let you guys come along with me as I do, and we'll see how it is. And Renee and your daughter, if you all are watching this, man, I love you guys, and it's gonna. Hey, this is going to be my honest opinion here on the burger between the Corner's burger or Hop Dottie's burger, which has the better vegan burgers. All right, so. Okay, guys, so this is, okay, for one thing, they have a cow on the outside emblem eating some grass-fed wheat or grass or whatever the case is. So that's kind of like very interesting message there. They got local beer, burgers, fries, shakes, full bar. They got the mist on the outside. Y'all know I love that mist. It feels nice and warm out here right now. Nice and toasty out here, crisp. And we're going to see. They said there's no vaping or smoking on the premises, which is very good. And look at that mist coming off the building. I'm getting ready to walk in some mist right now, y'all. Oh, nothing like some mist. And look at the plants that they have that are getting misted by the mist. Very interesting. So I'm walking in now, guys. Okay, guys, this is the menu right here. I don't have the rights to this music playing in the background. Just letting you know, I don't have the rights to the music playing in the background. But this is the menu so far. With the prices. You guys can always pause and read whatever's here. I don't want to take too long. Now, I don't know if, I mean, I have to ask. Hopefully everything here is vegan. I don't know if they maybe just have a vegan burger or if everything on, that's impossible. Here it goes, y'all. This is what I'm getting. This is it. Making it vegan. Make it vegan for an extra $1. That's what it is. That's what I'm getting. I don't care whatever else is on the menu. This is what I'm going for. This is going to be the comparison between the two. And so far, the inside of the building, very nice atmosphere. They got a little bar right here in the center and everything. Nice and cool and relaxed. Looks nice and clean in here. So I'm going to be sitting outside. This is going to be my table. And let me order and I'll get back. I got the carbon filtered water, but this is the whole little variety of what they offer here. head outside. $82. Nice high seated tables. Misty mist coming down right above heads. I'm feeling the mist on me right now, not too much, just nice cooling. Number table 83. And let me show you the price. The price for my Impossible Burger was $18.30. I gave him a $3 tip, so it came up to $21 whatever. And this is the address, guys. I came here 11:23 in the morning. I'm excited. I can't wait. I am excited. All right, guys. I just got the food delivery. It's here. It's smelling good. It's smelling right nice. Now I'm outside also, so there's no other smells going on around me. Only smell that's going on is my burger smell right now. So I'm gonna adjust this so we can see the whole thing going on here. Ta-da! Now also, like I said, it's supposed to look, feel, and taste like a real burger. We got some vegan cheese on here. We got a nice multi-grain bun, as you see. Delicious. It's nice and soft and lightly toasted. The patty is firm, but then again kind of soft. Then we have onion, tomato, and one strip of lettuce. Then we have some type of sauce that's made for the burger. I'm gonna put that on there right now. I don't even know what it tastes like, but I'm pouring it on there. It's made for vegans. All right, guys. To tell the truth, my honest opinion right now, I don't know. The Impossible Burger that I got from the counter was just like rare meat, but it was all plant-based. Let's see. Very good. Off the bat right now, I'm telling you, it's very good. And if I would have had 3 more patties stacked on top of this, ooh la la. It's nicely flavored, and I haven't even tasted the little sauce stuff I put on top of there. I got some seasoned sweet potato fries. I should have tasted it without the ketchup. Never seen it. Look at the green, the seasoning that's on there. Sweet potato fries are delicious. And this is a franchise, so it comes different. There's different areas that have different things. Now I have some ketchup, some type of barbecue sauce stuff. Yeah, I made a mess. And I have some Tabasco sauce because I love my bang, my kick to it. But this doesn't even need any of that. Thanks, Renee. Renee, on top of my food choice right now and the future, you definitely help your boy out. And on making that decision on what I want to do. Like I said, I'll talk to you guys about this later on. But there's a decision that I want to do as far as a career. I'm not going to say a career change. I'm going to say a career addition to what I'm doing right now as a cosmetologist. This is really good. I wish it was stacked up high, like that other Impossible Burger was, because this is so good. It's called for that. I'm gonna spread some more of this vegan sauce on here. Yeah, I'm a guy, man. I'm like a trucker. Delicious, guys. Onions falling off. Get back on there. I say get back on there. You guys, the vegan lifestyle is really the best lifestyle that there is out there. And I know I veered off course, but I am back on track. I say I'm back on track. Who says eating vegan isn't fun? Guys, this is so delicious. I'm so happy. The mist coming down as I'm eating. I gotta take my hat off so I can get some mist on my bald head. Yeah, guys. There's no eating etiquette when it comes to eating some really good food. That eating etiquette, if you want that, go to a different channel. If you want some real truth behind everything, you got the right one. You got the right channel. I am having a ball. H-O-B, hop. I mean H-O-P, hop. Dottie. D-O-D, D-Y. These seasoned fries, these seasoned sweet potato fries. And because I'm greedy, guys, I can eat 2 more of these burgers with ease. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna ask them And for next time, I'm gonna have like a double or triple burger. Because I like to stack them high. It's so good. So good. Renee, this burger is just like how your massage salon is, where you do esthetician work. Got the massage stations. This burger is excellent, just like your salon. I'm so happy right now. Renee has the cutest miniature chihuahuas. She also has a really huge manatee looking pit bull called Bear. Bear is so cute with his big self. And she also has another cute little red-nosed pit that looks so sweet, but she said she got attitude. Ain't nothing the matter with that. As long as she's good relationship with the master, which she is. Renee says they love each other. I like a nice protective dog. Yeah, guys, that was really a good experience. I'm so happy. I'm not overly stuffed. I'm nice and full. Well, very good, well-made burger. Renee, even though you're female, you're the man. Thank you so much for everything. Like I said, the advice on profession, on life, on the burger, on animals, on veganism, on everything, man. We had a nice long conversation this morning, y'all. I said we had a nice long bald head conversation this morning. So your boy, Chocolate Vegan, CV, you know, I love all you guys, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the old subscribers, new subscribers, potential subscribers, the people that comment, the ones that don't comment. Like, thank everybody, man, for just watching. Sharing is caring. And we all got to work together, man. You never know when your blessings are going to work and when God's going to provide you with some type of love, opportunity, or anything, man. So always stay smiling, stay happy. And till the next time, man, I'm going to holler at you guys, man. I said, I'm I said, I'm